Okay, so what we're at here is we have the reducing our value interest loan that we had before, and I'm just going to show you a couple of tricks with it, tricks that you can really use on your assignment. Okay, so first of all, just for the 5 years, if we want to work out the total amount of interest that's been earned. Okay, so we want to add up basically column F. There's a quick shortcut to do that. It's basically the sum command. So if you go equals and type in SUM for sum and open brackets. All right, so now I can actually just enter in. So if you look at that, it's going F64, it's changing as I go. Okay, so we go all the way up to the top of the row, so the column. Okay, so look up here, we've got F9 to F68. Okay, so click on there and close the bracket. Then hit enter. 22,417. So that's how much interest has been paid over 5 years. All right, so that's a very handy trick to have. Now, what we want to do is also graph the progress of the balance. How is the balance reducing each month? Now, the thing is, what we want is just the month and the balance, just the values. Now, I was having some trouble copying this before, but I'll try it again. I've pre-copied it just in case it wouldn't work with the screen capture software. But if I go copy over here, now it's doing it. Okay, so see what I did there? Okay, it basically, I'll do it again. Okay, so I right click and you've got these paste options. This one here, it says values. Okay, that's the one we want because it's not going to give us the formulas. It'll just be what is the actual numerical value in the cell. So click on that and we go balance. Just want the months and the balance. So if I go copy, put it next to there, right click and values. Don't click paste because it'll go mental. Go values. Okay. Now I did just, that's a bit awkward. We'll just get rid of those. Right. I did pre-copy it before because I was having a few issues, but I'll get rid of that. Okay. So here is the months and the balance. What we would like to do is graph it. Okay. So I'm just going to move it over a little. Okay, so if I just highlight all of that, I'm going to highlight the headings as well. Go all the way down to there, and I go inserts, recommended charts. Okay, so is that one going to do it? That is the one that we want. Okay, actually, no, I'm going to go that one. Nope, it's a line graph. Don't do that. That one will do. Okay, so we've got a bunch of options here. I clicked on chart type. I just want the line, not the dots. Okay, that's better. All right, so now we've got the months along the bottom here and the balance up the side. So let's actually dress it up a little bit. Access titles. So down the bottom, that is months. Okay. And then here, this is balance on the loan. So loan, balance. Spelled it right? Yep. Okay, so what is this actually showing? It's showing performance of the loan over 5 years. Okay, so performance of the loan over 5 years. Okay, and that's probably good enough. Okay, so we've got plenty of info there. That's basically how this thing is going. But if we wanted to see it in real terms. Like it's kind of, wow, it's doing really well. Well, is it though? Let's just click on that, right click and go Format Axis. What if I started it at 0? All right, that's how it's rolling. If you started this thing at 0. Okay, so that's less impressive. But yeah, it is dropping, but you know, these kinds of loans, these house loans, they go for like 30 years or so. So not just 5 years. Anyway, so that is reducing interest loans. Get in and save this file because you're going to need it next term. Thank you.